Right, another HEMA, Bleaklow Head, between Glossop and Sheffield, off the A57 to make a pass. This one's going to be a long walk in apparently, so it's not going to be too windy. So there we are. You can see just there. I'm telling you about last week. Multi Function Dipole, sort of half wave. So that way for FM. The that way for single sideband. I've not done any. I've done a single sideband before, but vertically polarised. Never done it horizontally, so we shall have to see what happens. Mike and Rob from the HEMA program did this yesterday. I think they're quite successful as well. I was going to do something yesterday, but I was so busy at work, decided not to. I was that tired. Anyway, let's see what we find further up. Hopefully the weather's going to stay dry. I think if there's like a cairn, I can probably duck behind if it does get a bit too windy. We shall see. And if that thing messes up, I've got the FT60 on the R8770 whip, so should be good. Let's see what we get further up. Right, I'm nowhere near the top. I've been walking for about 2.5 miles. It's taken me an hour. And not quite worn out yet. With this walk, it starts off fairly flat, well, slight incline for absolutely ages, and it gets a bit rocky and a bit bouldery like this bit. There's a cairn there as well, not too far from the top I hope, and it flattens out a bit and it goes up a bit. There is a stream that's running down, and you're crossing that a few 4 times, well, about 7 times probably. So did hear a helicopter flying around further down, so I don't know if that's somebody in trouble or mountain rescue team on an exercise. There's the view. I think Kinder Scout's over there somewhere. I could be wrong. B29 crash site is around there. I couldn't see it from this pass, so I'll try and visit it on the way down. But it's not a bad walk, to be honest. Not bad at all. Wouldn't like to do, and after it's been raining, because it's one or two places are a bit boggy. So imagine after a load of rain, it'd be a recreation of the song, probably. Yeah, I think the crash site's down on the stone somewhere. I'll still get to them on the way down, but anyway, onward and upward, and hopefully we'll be able to see the summit soon, unless I've gone in the completely not the wrong direction and I should be going that way. After nearly, well, just over an hour climbing, I have finally reached the summit. Okay, it's not much to look at, but here's the summit. So it's a bit windy, so I'm going to find a place to duck down, I think he is favourite actually. Can have a drink of water, have a rest, and start setting up. I am slightly early for the activation, but when you're walking up anywhere like this and you don't know what the water's going to be like, you've not been up there before, so it's best to get a bit early. Time for setting up. I didn't get the HF antennas because I think this mound thing here would have been alright for HF. And you probably can't see it, but see if you can zoom in a bit. Can't quite. Over there's Glossop, I take it. And I think just over that ridge there would be Sheffield. God, there's wind up here. Over there is a very large television radio transmitter. No idea what one it is. Someone will probably tell me in the comments. Well, I'm glad I'm not doing this in winter because, well, you can imagine. Right, let's have a sit down, have a break, and let's set up. CQ, 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 CQ. Mike 6 Kilo India Oscar Portable. Mike 6 Kilo India Oscar Portable. CQ HEMA standing by. Mike 6 Kilo India Oscar Portable. Corn CQ standing by. Echo India 3.
Roger, Echo India 3, Germany Oscar. Echo India 3, Golf Oscar, QSOs.
Yes, Echo India 3, Golf Oscar. Mike 6 Kilo India Oscar Portable. Should we go to 330? 330.
Again, give me your call sign again and your square there till I get a heading on you. Over.
Okay, my call sign, Mike 6 Kilo India Oscar. Grid square, India Oscar 83 Bravo Lima. 83 Bravo Lima.
Yeah, Mike 6 Kilo India Oscar. I think, is that correct? Over.
Roger. Mike 6 Kilo India Oscar Portable.
Roger, Mike 6 KIO Portable from EI3 Golf Oscar. Yeah, not very strong with me. Should be beaming fairly well on you there. You're in India Oscar 82. I think it was a Bravo Lima. I'm in India Oscar 63 Golf Charlie. India Oscar 63 Golf Charlie. And you're about a 5 and 1 there with me. And name is Martin. Over.
Okay, Roger, Martin. My name is Dom, Delta Oscar Mike. Your signal is 5 and 5, 55, 5 and 5. The grid is 83 Bravo Lima, 83 Bravo Lima.
QSY off the calling frequency once you've established contact.
Okay, shall we go up to 330, 330, 330? Okay, shall we QSY to 330? QSY to 330?
330, is that correct?
Roger, 330. Frequency clear please, this is Mike 6 Kilo India Oscar Portable. No, okie dokie, nothing heard. Echo India 3 Golf Oscar, this is Mike 6 Kilo India Oscar Portable.
Yeah, Mike 6 KIO portable, VI 3 Golf Oscar. Yeah, fine, Dom. I might not be hearing anything from this side anyway. So, as I said, I wonder what power you're running there, Dom, or what's the portable setup there?
Okay, I've got Yaesu FT857 using 10 watts into a half-wave dipole. Half-wave dipole with 10 watts. 10 watts over.
Yeah, you can drop it down to 9 there. What do you say, 10 watt? Are you working on a horizontal, Dom, over?
Yeah, horizontal, horizontal.
Roger that there, yeah. You're just a bit of the noise only there. But, no problem at all. And I think you said 10 watts. And what antenna are you using, over?
It's called a Multi Function Dipole. It's a half-wave. You can have it horizontal or vertical. Horizontal or vertical. Right. Okay, Echo India 3 Golf Oscar, Mike 6 Kilo India Oscar Portable. Thank you so much for the contact, and 73, catch you further down. Definitely will do, 73. QSOs, Mike. CQ HEMA, CQ. Mike 6 Kilo India Oscar Portable. Mike 6 Kilo India Oscar Portable. Mike 6 Kilo India Oscar Portable, CQ HEMA. If you got that, that was fantastic. TDX. Should we go to 550? 145, 550?
550.
Let's frequency clear please. This is Mike 6 Kilo India Oscar Portable.
Okay, nothing heard here. Morning, Dom. Name here is Neil. 2 Echo 0 Tango Delta X-ray 5 by 9 to Nets on the Whirl.
Yeah, 2E0 Tango Delta X-ray. I think I've got that right. Yep, you are 5 and 9 with me. Name is Dom, Delta Oscar Mike, and I'm on a HEMA summit of Bleaklow Head between Sheffield and Glossop, QSO.
Yeah, champion on that, Dom. Is that your only one for today, or are you heading out to another one?
No, this is the only one today. It took me about an hour to walk up here, so did a bit of SSB earlier, doing some FM now. I'm going to switch on to SSB I think before I go back, but yeah, it's the only one today.
All good, yeah, right. We've been off radio for a little while, so we've just sort of come back on and seen the HEMA thing and whatever with Mike, so we're sort of chasing that down now as well.
Ah, excellent. Yeah, Rob and Mike were up here yesterday, and I was going to do a HEMA yesterday, but I finished work on Saturday, and Sunday morning I was that tired I just really didn't feel like doing much radio stuff. Yeah, it's the height for this hill in meters, 633 meters, so I don't know what that translates to feet. I've not got a calculator with me, but running a Yaesu FT857D, 10 watts out. And this, they call it a multi-function dipole. If you go onto YouTube and search it, there's a station there, Chris M0 RSF, he uses one quite a bit, so I thought I'd make one. It's really cheap to make, bit of waste overflow pipe, bit of coax, and about 5-10 minute job making it. So it's But yeah, I do quite a lot of portable work, a lot of HEMA work. Link is on the QSOs profile, and just, you know, it's just good to be out on the hills, out portable. I don't have a permanent setup back at home anyway, so anytime I want to go on, it's either with the handheld in the back garden or walking up a hill with my radio. But it's all good fun, a bit of exercise as well.
Yeah, okay, Dom. Very good. And okay, on dipole, it's a good idea actually to have horizontal, vertical polarization. When I used to do that, I used to have a small clamp, so a round boom, so you could just twiddle it. You could have it horizontal, anywhere in between, vertical. Made life easier anyway. Yeah, okay. Okay, on the walking up the hill, etc. Oh, well, good bit of exercise. I never was too keen on exercise. I've always done some, but walking mainly. That anything faster than that's too fast on for me. There we are. As you can probably tell from the call sign, I'm no longer a spring chicken, let's put it that way. There we are. It's quite fortunate I was beaming your way, because this beam's quite sharp, too sharp really. The front to side and the front to back are too good. So if you don't hear somebody quite often, you move the beam a bit and you can hear them. So in some ways the design's too good on, it can be around about 30 dB to the back and the side. 20 dB would be better, then I got a better chance of hearing somebody who's where I'm not beaming at them. Unless of course they're very strong, then it's a different ball game. Yeah, okay. And what else have I been doing here? Radio-wise, not a lot. During the summer, I don't tend to do much radio. It's during the winter I do a lot of radio stuff. That's when I make things like my transverters and the power amplifier and that sort of thing. So during the summer, it tends to be well, it used to be quite social, but COVID knocked that on the head. On M6KIO portable G3YYD.
QSO, Rob, QSO, 3 and 1, 31, 31, 3, 1, QSO. Dropped out a bit, go again, go again, go again. Okie doke, Rob, 73, 73, Rob, Roger, Roger, Roger. Oh dear. I'll be still videoing. I don't know how much of that you got, that was really difficult, but that's horizontally polarised. I'll do a video when I get back, but some nice QSOs there, so we're going to pack up now, and hopefully if I've got enough battery left, I'm going to try and find this air crash thing. Right, time to pack up.